Just got a new phone? So did I. And if you want to see how smooth your games are running with an FPS meter, no paid tools or tricks, you have come to the right place. I got my Iqoo OnePlus setup and now I'm gonna show you how you can do the same. Oh, and don't forget to share this video with those gaming reviewers who still review game without an FPS meter. Like, come on guys, let's keep it real. So hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Without any further delay, let's dive in and get that FPS meter working. Now first you have to visit the vtools site, click on the site, click download now. See the latest version, there's Scene8 available, so we are going to download that. It's more optimized for our 8 Gen 2. Now that app works through ADB commands, and to get that ADB working on our phone we are going to install Shizuku. You have to open your Play Store app on your phone and search for Shizuku. You can see right here and hit install. Once it installs, click open. As you can see at the top it says Shizuku is not running. Now hit on pairing, click on notification options, allow all notifications that it's asking and click start. Now developer options. Then scroll down and you will see USB debugging and turn it on, and the wireless debugging. Now click on pair device with pairing code. There will be a Shizuku pop-up on the top asking to enter your pairing code. Click on that and enter the pairing code that you are seeing on your screen. If you don't see that Shizuku pop-up, just click on the notification and click enter pairing code from there. Now hit back and it will start. Now we are ready to enable our FPS meter app. Okay, before opening the app, click on app info and enable the display over other apps. Otherwise it will throw a Chinese error. Now click on ADB mode, you will see a Shizuku pop-up. Hit allow all times and it will start. Now on the top right corner you can see a graph type logo. Click on that and you can see our FPS recorder and temperature meter. Now if you want to record your FPS meter and get a graph and overall average FPS data etc., you simply have to click on the FPS meter yellow color logo. After you press the yellow FPS meter, it will turn red and start recording the FPS in the background. So you can play normally, and in the end you have to click at it again and it will calculate all the stats and average FPS. If for some reason you don't see that graph logo on the top, the app is not working properly, you have to simply force stop it. Click on app info and force stop, then you will get to this screen again and hit ADB again. If this screen appears, this means your Shizuku is not working properly, and you can also enable this from ADB. Now I will show you how you can do that from ADB commands. You have to copy that command that it's showing and share it with your computer. Now connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. Now open your computer, you will see your phone. If you don't have platform tools downloaded, you can download platform tools and ADB drivers from the internet. Now go to a platform tools folder. In the search area type CMD and enter the command that we have copied. It will say ADB has enabled. The command is success. Now you can simply go to your phone screen and enable the FPS meter again. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to thank every one of you for your incredible support and believe in what I'm doing. Hitting 100 subs is an amazing milestone, but what truly brings me joy is reading your comments. Knowing that I've been able to help you, inspire and teach you something new. Your encouragement fills my passion and I'm beyond grateful to have such an amazing community here with me. This is just the beginning and I can't wait to see how far we can go together. I truly hope you all continue to support me as we grow this channel together. Thanks again and I will catch you in the next one.